So hi, my name is Rishabh and I'm master teacher here at SISYACLASS and I teach mathematics. I'm done my education from IIT Jodhpur. And
Hello, my name is Rikesh. I have done my education from IIT Gandhinagar. I am also a master teacher here at SISYACLASS. We will be explaining now some tricks related to counting figures, which will be useful for all the kids who are preparing for competition.
like Olympiads, yes. So can you tell me how many triangles can you see here?
Sir, I see 1, 2, maybe one big, 3.
Three triangles? Okay, great. Alright. How about now?
Here, 1, 2, 3, 3 small and 1 big, 4 triangles.
Are you sure? So count one more. See, this is one more triangle. Yes. See, this
So
one
there are
small triangle,
three-
one small triangle, one small triangle. Three small triangles. When we look at combination of two, there's one triangle here, one triangle here. So total 5 and one big one. How many?
Now it's 6. Sir.
6.
So I thought that there are only small and big triangles.
Correct. How about now?
Now it will be very difficult, sir. If I go about counting
Yes.
one by one,
Correct.
then
It will be
maybe
very
it's-
difficult. Alright. How many triangles were there? Can you tell me once more? 3?
Here 3.
Okay. What if I count the parts? See, 1 and 2. What is the sum of 1 and 2?
3.
Is the answer same?
Yes.
How about here? How many triangles were here?
Here there were 6.
6. And if you count the parts, 1, 2, 3. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3?
6.
That means, do we have a trick?
Yes.
Can you do it for now?
Yes. So I think the first step is doing the numbering 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4. I number the parts and then I add the numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, I get 10.
10.
So 10 is
That's
the
it.
answer.
Correct. I hope this is very useful.